Hello, my name is Jennifer Briggs, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the website Kahoot. So I'm just on Google. I'm going to type in kahoot.com, and this is the website that pops up. So to sign up, you're going to click sign up for free. You're going to pick if you're a teacher, student, personal, professional. I'm going to pick teacher, and then I work for a school, so I'm going to pick school as well. Then you just type in an email and a password, and that's how you set up an account. I already have an account, so I'm going to click login. You are given 3 options after you create an account. The first one is the basic version, which is the free version, which is the one that I have. Or you could do the pro version, which is $3 a month, or the premium version, which is $6 a month. For both the pro and the premium, you do get a 7-day free trial to test those out if you would like to. This is the screen that pops up once you have logged in. You're able to see how it works, create a Kahoot, host a Kahoot. So I have already created a Kahoot over here as an example. So if I wanted to edit the Kahoot, just to really fast show how that's done. So I have my 2 questions. I just did a contractions Kahoot. So the first word that I did was can't, and then I gave 4 options: could not, cannot, would not, and should not. Obviously I selected cannot as the correct words that form that contraction. You're also able to pick a time limit, so you can do 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 90 seconds, as many as you want, and then you can pick a point amount as well. Based off if they get it right, they get that many points. And then I just did a second one, and then I gave them 4 options as well. You're also able to add an image in there if you would like to do that to make your quiz a little bit more fun. So then I click done, and my Kahoot is done. And then it's going to bring me back to that main page again. And it's going to say that I have the contractions Kahoot over here to use. You're also able to search other Kahoots that are on the Kahoot website if you didn't want to create one and you just wanted to use one that someone already used. So I scroll down to the bottom to discover Kahoots, and this is the page that pops up. So right away you're going to see the ones that are most popular on the Kahoot website recently. So you could click one of those. Most of the time, me teaching elementary, those are way over my kids' heads. So I'm going to just look for a contractions Kahoot just to go along with the one that I made. So I'm just going to hit contractions words, and then I'm going to use this contraction practice at the very top. Then if I wanted to play, I would just click play. You can look at the different questions that are in there, how long they have for them, and stuff like that. So I'm going to hit play. I'm just going to do the teacher version. Then you have the option of doing a 1-to-1 device for players, or you can do a team where a team is sharing a single device. I'm just going to do the 1-to-1 option. And then this pops up with some fun little music, and you're going to have your students log onto their device, and they're going to go to kahoot.it.com or kahoot.it, and then they will have to type in the game pin right here. So the game pin is 6697087. 6697087. And then they'll be able to type in a nickname. I'm just going to do Jennifer. If you want to be really nice, you can let them pick their names, or you can just have them do their own names. So then I only have 1 player playing, so I'm going to hit start once you have all of your players. So here are the 11 questions. So up on your screen is going to have the question. So choose the 2 words that make up the contraction. And it says have it. Is it are not or have not? And then this is what the student's computer screen looks like. And I'm going to select the blue question. And then up on there it's going to say, oh, that 1 player got the blue question correct. So students are able to look at the question. Ideally, you would have your computer screen projected up onto the wall, and then the students can look at the screen and then select the answer from their computer. One downfall is that they do not show the question on their computer, so they definitely have to be paying attention because there is a time limit. So then once you get through all of the questions, it shows you who's winning. So oh my gosh, I'm in the win, obviously because I'm the only person playing. But there's a scoreboard, and students can have fun being competitive with each other to see who would win the game. And then it shows on the student screen that they were correct with their answer. So this can be used for many different things. You can use this for a review for all subjects. I know people that have taken a reading weekly test and put some questions that are similar to the questions on there and made a Kahoot out of that. I know you could do math facts. You could do spelling such as this, language arts, whatever you wanted to do. My district recently got 1-to-1 iPads, so this would be really good to play in a classroom because each student has their own device and are able to answer their own questions. If we were relating this to Bloom's taxonomy, I would definitely say it would be in the remembering remember category with recalling facts and concepts like that. And then if we were talking about the STAMR model, it'd be the substitution, because you can completely replace this with the paper pencil review and use this digitally instead, which I think students would have a lot of fun with. I hope you guys enjoyed learning about the website Kahoot, and have a great day.